Hey tech fans! Meta just dropped a mind-blowing AR upgrade for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and it's turning heads with real-time navigation and slick voice controls. This is GadInsider, and we're diving into why this update's a total game changer. Picture this: walking through a new city with turn-by-turn directions floating right in front of you, all hands-free, powered by your sunglasses. Sound like sci-fi? It's real and it's here. Let's check out the Ray-Ban Meta glasses' latest AR upgrade. Meta rolled out a massive AR-focused update for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses today, and it's packed with futuristic features. The star of the show? Real-time navigation overlays. Using the glasses' 12MP camera and Meta AI, you can now get turn-by-turn directions whispered through the open-ear speakers or visualized in your field of view via the Meta View app on your phone. It's like having Google Maps built into your glasses, perfect for exploring new cities or finding your car in a packed lot. The voice commands also have gotten a major glow up. You no longer need to say, "Hey Meta," for every follow-up question. Just start with it once and you're in a natural convo with Meta AI. Say, "Hey Meta, find me a coffee shop," then ask, "What's their menu like?" without repeating the prompt. You can also scan QR codes, call contacts, or send voice messages on WhatsApp and Messenger, all hands-free. The 5-mic array picks up your voice clearly, even in noisy spots like busy streets or windy trails. This update also boosts the glasses' multimodal AI, letting you point at landmarks and ask, "What's that building?" or check a menu in French and get instant translations in English, with Spanish and Italian support coming soon. The spatial audio is crisp, with 50% louder speakers and deeper bass, making music, calls, and directions sound immersive without blocking your surroundings. Battery life holds strong at 4 hours of moderate use, with a sleek charging case offering up to 32 hours total. These glasses combine Ray-Ban's iconic style with cutting-edge tech. They're lightweight, IPX4 water-resistant, and come in 150 style combos, including wafer and headliner frames. No heads-up display yet, but Meta's teasing that for 2025, and this update's a big step towards true AR. Now the catch? The AR overlays still rely on your phone's app for visuals, not the glasses themselves, which might disappoint HUD fans. Meta AI can also be spotty with complex queries, and it's only available in the US and Canada for now. That's the Ray-Ban Meta glasses AR upgrade, your ticket to a sci-fi future. Are you grabbing a pair, or is the navigation feature the real sell for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech drops.